User experience design is problem-solving skill, and it is a process of solving a problem for your users and your business. So I'm going to elaborate just the basic 4 steps in any user experience design process, so let's get started. No, the first one is to be analyzed like any other problems. You are having a problems in your real-life situation. You are first going to analyze it. So the first thing is, you are going to investigate. Why is this happening? And with whom it is happening? Where it was happening? So all these things are going to go into analyze stage. Then we're going to move on to the explore and design. So whatever data we have gathered from our users and from our stakeholders, we are going to get that data and use it for quickly going through some of the solutions. For example, maybe for one-click cart in the e-commerce website, for example, my customer needs a shopping cart that is just going to be in just one click, so my user is going to click once and everything is going to done. They don't need to enter all these things, so for that, maybe I come up with 3 or 4 solutions. This is going to happen in ideation stage and explore different kind of solutions through designs. Solutions, then we are going to get those prototypes and we're going to test with our users and going to get their feedback. So this is the explore and design phase, where we are going to create early prototypes and test them with users. Then we are moving to implementation stage. So in the implementation stage we are going to use the wireframes and detailed specifications we have developed or designed in our prototypes and give it to our developers team, and they're going to build some solution out of that. Then this implementation phase is going to end and we are going to release our first version of our product, and we're going to conduct some usability testing there. We're going to get feedback from other users. Did you like this game? Did you like this product? That you like this website? What we can do to make it better? What is the problem you are having? So this is going to be a feedback from our users. So along this whole journey, there are 2 things that are very common, which is prototypes and feedback. So as early as possible, you should start building your prototype. So if you are in your analyze stage, you might have already some idea in your head that maybe, if I have this kind of prototype, I can show it to my users and get some user interview and get some user data. What is in their head, so you can use that prototyping analyze stage. Then in the design stage you might have some more early prototype that is almost closer to your, somewhat similar to your final product, and you can test that and explore more design ideas. So once you have moved from design to implementation, if you try to change something after coding it or once the product has been launched, the cost and time will be too much to bear, so it will be a loss of time and cost. So try to get more into what the user's in. What is in the user's head before you start implementing any solution. So try to invest more time into analyze and explore and design phase other than implementation phase. Now, let me show you the overview of what we are going to do, and how I'm going to make you understand of the whole user experience design process from a bird's eye view.